Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So what are we going to do today? Today we are continuing the previous lesson, what we have done. This is a part 2 of a Kannada grammar, the noun lesson. If you have not watched the part 1, I'll leave the link here. Please do watch the part 1 before coming to the part 2. So in yesterday's class, we learned the noun. So what do we call noun in Kannada? So noun andre namapada. We already learned this. And also we learned vyaktiya hesaru. It's a name of a person, name of an animal, name of a thing. Then we also learned nama prakruti. I hope you remember what is nama prakruti, which is the original form, the root form. The word is called as a nama prakruti. Then we also got to know the vibhakti pratyaya. Vibhakti pratyaya is nothing but like a suffix that I add, that is annu, inda, alli, these kind of words. So we learned all these things in the first lesson, first lesson. So now what are we going to learn? In today's class we are learning. So in this nama prakruti, right, we have two types. So one is called sahaja nama prakruti. Sahaja, the common one. That means the common sahaja nama prakruti. And the other one is Sadhita nama prakruti. I am not going to deal with this because again this has a few more detailing thing that we need to cover. So I am not going to cover the Sadhita. Today we are going to focus on Sahaja nama prakruti. The common one, Sahaja nama prakruti. So what are all the things that comes under Sahaja nama prakruti? So now we already know that what is noun? Name of a place, animal, things, right? The same thing. So this Sahaja nama prakruti, the common one, it can be name of a person, it can be name of a place, it can be name of an animal, name of a bird, it can be the quality or the behavior or behavioral quality of the things. It can be the place, it can be the number, it can be anything. So what is that exactly? Now let's learn the Sahaja nama prakruti. There are multiple types, number of types, like just like we have an abstract noun, collective noun, right? Similarly here also we have. So let's look into that Sahaja nama prakruti. So in Sahaja nama prakruti, sometimes we also say these are the types of noun. Okay, so don't get confused. According to your grade, the grammar will also have a detailing. Okay, so now Sahaja nama prakruti, it has the 9 types. How many types? 9 types. 9 vida ide. 9 vida, 9 types. So this is a number in Kannada, so don't get confused. I'll come to the first one. First one, mostly everyone you might have known this one, which is called as vastu vachaka. Vastu vachakagalu. So again in vastu vachakagalu we have 3 types. You might have heard this, that is ruda nama. Then I have ankita nama. Then I have anvartaka nama. Rudanama, Ankitanama, Anvartakanama. So what is Vastu? So Vastu is a things. So what is Vastu Vachaka? Vastugala hesarannu soochisuva pada. The word, the noun which indicates the name of the things. That is Vastu Vachaka. Under that I have a 3 groups. First one I'll come to the Rudanama. What is Rudanama? As the word says, the Ruda is a Rudi. By habit, this is being created. So by habit, I have few names like a boy, girl. So ee tara names alla idella. So like for example, house, school, road, train, bus. All these things have come by a habit, have come by a practice over a period of time. That all comes under Rudanama. The example for Rudanama can be Mane, Huduga, Shale, and many more things. Fine. So basically it's a vastu, name. Okay. Next comes is a Ankita Nama. So what is Ankita Nama? Ankita Nama means these are the words, the noun, which is used in the business transaction or for the communication basically. For example, now I am in a place, I am in my house. If I have to give an address for the courier, I can't say I'm in house, come to my house. I can't say like that. I have to give them the exact address. I have to give my house name. I have to give him the cross that I stay in. I have to give him the area name. I have to give him which place it is, pin code, everything is required, right? That is Ankita Nama. If you say Uru here, Uru is a place, then you would say Ankita Nama Bengaluru. So my place is a Bengaluru. And if it's a Huduga, the Huduga name is, there is some name. For the communication we have the name, Rohan. That is the name for a Huduga. If my money, I stay in a house. My house has a name, Srinilaya. So it can be Srinilaya. So that's how the Ankita Nama is. Ankita Nama is based on the communication. For the communication purpose, we have a noun, the naming word that is called as Ankita Nama. Is it clear? The first one is Mane, just a house. Second one, the name of the house. Clear? Yes. So that is Ankita Nama. The next one is Anvarthaka Nama. So Anvarthaka Nama is a very simple. I look at the person and I'll describe the person. For example, there is a person who is doing work in his farmland. So what do I call that person? That person is called as a farmer. There is a person who is having the gun and who is wearing a uniform. Then I call that person as a police officer or a soldier, right? So based on their occupation, according to their behavior, according to their attire, according to their resemblance, I'll give a name for them. That is Anvarthaka Nama. Here it can be Raita, it can be Sainika, it can be student, it can be teacher. That is Anvarthaka Nama. Rudanama is a common name. Ankita Nama is for a communication purpose. And Anvarthaka Nama, based on the resemblance, I'll give a name that is Anvarthaka Nama. So all these three comes under Vastuvachakavalu. Remember, is it clear now? So it's very important for you to give me the examples for each and every of these things, which is very, very important. Now let's go to the second one, that is Gunavachaka. We'll be covering only 4 today. Gunavachakavalu. So Guna means the quality of the things. That is a Gunavachaka. For example, I have a rose. So what is the color of that rose? The rose color is a pink color. And the rose is a beautiful rose. So this can be defined as a Gunavachaka. So I can tell Valleya Huduga. Huduga is Ankita Nama, Ruda Nama. Valleya Huduga is a good boy. That is a Gunavachaka. Good is defining that boy. That is a Gunavachaka. That is a Kempu Gulabi, red rose. That is a rose. That is a Rudanama, or it can be Ankita Nama. Huvu is a Rudanama, sorry. Ankita Nama is a Gulabi. So red rose, it's a Gunavachaka. Everything comes under a noun, but it has a special category there. Remember, okay? So this is the Gunavachaka, which talk about the quality, the behavior of that thing. That is the Gunavachaka, behavior of that noun, behavior of that naming word. That is Gunavachaka. Clear? Fine. We'll go with the next one. And the next one, that is Sankhya Vachaka. Sankhya Vachaka. Sankhya means the number. Sankhya means number. So it's very simple, direct. So I have a number. Vandu balehannu, one banana. Obba huduga, a boy. Obbalu hudugi. Clear? So here, instead of this Obba and Obbalu and all, I'll just go with the direct numbers. For example, 10,000 jana, 10,000 people. 1 koti janaru, 1 crore people. I'll directly take the numbers. So that comes under Sankhya Vachaka. I have one more, this is the last one for the day, that is Sankhyeya. Sankhyeya Vachakagalu. So in English, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Then you won't tell that he won one prize. You will tell he won first place. He came second. It's a fourth building. That's how we say, right? So this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, that all comes under Sankhyeya Vachaka. Clear? So here the Obbaru and all will come here. Ibbaru hudugaru, 2 boys. Obbalu hudugi, a girl. Obbalu hudugi. Mooraneya mane, it's a third house. So all these kind of words will come in a Sankhyeya Vachakagalu. So today we have covered the 4 Vastu Vachaka, Guna Vachaka, Sankhya Vachaka and Sankhyeya Vachaka. In Vastu Vachaka we have 3 types: Rudanama, the common name; Ankita Nama, it's a name which is kept for the communication; then Anvarthaka Nama, which is the name which is used based on the resemblance, like a farmer or the occupation, you can say. Okay. Then I have a Guna Vachaka. So based on the quality, based on the behavior of a noun, I'll go with the Guna Vachaka. It can be a good person, bad person, red color, white color, anything like that. The big one, small one, all these comes under Guna Vachaka. Sankhya Vachaka goes with the number, just a number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lakh, 10,000, crore, 10 crore, like this. Sankhyeya Vachaka, it goes with the numbers like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 2 people, couple of the days, like this. Okay, please do practice all these 4 comfortably. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section, or you can write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I mean, that is also fine. Whichever is comfortable for you, choose that platform to ask any kind of a questions if you have. Most importantly, write it everything in your book, which is very, very important. Write it in your book. Make a column for all these things. Vastu Vachaka, or you can just go with Rudanama, Ankitanama, Anvartakanama, Guna Vachaka, Sankhya Vachaka, Sankhyeya Vachaka. So it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Find out some words. Pick up few words from your textbook, 5 words in each. Write it down, take a picture and send it to me. This will be the activity for today's class after watching this video. Fine. So thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next class. In the next class, we'll be covering a few more types of Sahaja Nama Prakriti or the Nama Pada. We will cover in the next class. Until then, keep practicing. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Namaste. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.